topic is black box testing and white box testing. Actually, white box and black box, these both testings belongs to dynamic testing. We have two types of testings: static testing and dynamic testing. Dynamic testing has two types. Those are white box and black box. Then what about static testing? Before dynamic testing starts, whatever happened in the requirements phase, design phase, before implementation, whatever happened, everything, whatever they did, they revised that in the static testing. The main testing is dynamic testing. The dynamic testing covers black box testing and white box testing. The best examples of black box testing are BVA, boundary value analysis, EP, equivalence partitioning, cause effect graphing. White box testing examples are loop testing, coverage testing, statement coverage testing, branch and decision coverage testing, path coverage testing. All these are examples of black box and white box testing. Now we will go for what is black box testing, what is white box testing. While they are developing the software, we should identify the errors. We are applying the testing. Where we are interacting with the internal structure, that's called white box testing. In the white box testing, we have interaction with the internal structure and we have uncovered code. We have good interaction with the code. We are doing the code. What are the different errors in the code? We are modifying, we are doing all this, interacting with the code. That's why white box testing always done by, maximum 90% done by the developers. Black box testing, they don't have, the black box testers, they don't have much they don't have interaction with the internal code. Black box testing you can, just we are giving the input, our expected output. We will check whether our expected output came or not. We don't bother about the internal code, how did you write, everything. We don't bother. We always concentrate on the what is our input. According to that input, what is our expected output. That only we will see in the black box testing. Not only our figure expands same thing. In black box testing, just we focus on inputs and output of the software system, just that's all. They don't bother about the internal knowledge of the software. Only we want output. See. By applying black box testing techniques, we develop a set of test cases, different test cases. All the test cases according to the SRS, software requirement specification documentation. This SRS, according to the, based on the SRS documentation, we will give all the different inputs to the system. Case 1, we give the input. According to our SRS documentation, our output came or not. They will check it. Yes, case 1 is okay. Case 2 is okay. Case 3 is not okay. Some error came inside. What type of error? They don't bother. It is not executed. The statement is properly not executed. What happened, they don't know. Because that belongs to the white box testing again. They will go for the white box testing. The black box testing, different examples are equipartitions and boundary value analysis and cause effective graphing. We will explain later all this. Today we are discussing white box testing. black box testing, we don't bother about the internal code. That's why we are calling it is a black box testing. White box testing, we have good interaction with the internal code. That's why we are calling it is a glass box testing. Sometimes we are calling it is a clear testing. Sometimes we are calling transparent testing. See that white box testing, also known as clear box testing, open box testing, glass box testing, transparent box testing, code based testing or structural testing. It is a white box testing is a software testing method in which the internal structure, design, implementation of the item being tested is known to the tester. White box testing, in the white box testing, the developer who is doing the testing, they have very good interaction with the internal code. In the black box testing, they don't have good interaction with they don't bother about the internal code. This is about the white box testing and black box testing. In the next topic, we will discuss about the examples of the white box testing techniques and the black box testing techniques.